Hey guys, this is my new bike. It's a Honda VFR800 2006. It has 25,000 miles on the clock, but I really like the condition. Currently it's dirty, of course, and a little bit damaged, but we'll sort it out. Honestly, I love the look of VFR800, especially the rear part. Alright, let's talk about damage. The most obvious part is broken front fender. A little bit of scratches here and there. We'll need a new foot peg here, and hopefully the last one is a bend slider. So the main question now is, will it run? I charged the battery off camera and that's all, so this is the first start. Let's try it. Oh wow, it works? Really? Straight away? I mean, buying from the auction, it's always a gamble, you never know